Hello viewers, let's learn how can we make video through artificial intelligence, or in simple words, let's convert your text into video. And in the same video we will also convert text into picture, or we will make a picture through AI. On screen please. First type hailuoai.video. Type it in your browser. Now this website opens, so let me select these already made videos, so you will see prompt. Later on you will understand this. You can copy it, or in case if you can't write a prompt, so I'll teach you through ChatGPT how to make it. Now click create video, and these three options appears: image to video, text to video, subject reference. Now click camera sign and it will give you view, left, right, up, down, or zoom in, zoom out from where you would like to keep your camera. This is another view of freedom: right circling, left circling, free walk, left walk. It's up to you which side of camera you would like to fix, because it's AI video. These are quality. T3 is maximum and 1 is minimum. So let's go and click create video. Let's first make prompt through ChatGPT for our ease. So let me write generate a video in which mice counseling with each other to put the bell in the neck of the cat, but the cat appears and they run in different directions. Now click this sign or click enter. So ChatGPT will provide you a proper prompt for creating a video or in appropriate words. You should also see or read your prompt before you make your video, even if that is written by ChatGPT. So copy the same, and now let's go to the website. Click text to video. Now paste the prompt, and you will shortly see that the video will be generated. Now it's almost done. Click create video or create button. You can also change the quality of the video. So in case if you click it, it will ask for email. So click continue and feed your email. Now video is under process after clicking the final button. Now you can see mice are counseling, having a bill and thinking to put it in the cat neck, but cat suddenly appears and they run in different directions. It's a larger view. You can download the same, and three dots or download options are still available. So you can change in the same video, or you can generate many videos for your YouTube channel or any XYZ. Now let's make imaginary image or text to image. So click on image, and this is quality from 4 to 1. It's up to you which quality of picture you would like to keep. Now let me create an image of two goats crossing each other on a rope tied between two high mountains and a river flowing below. One goat is in sitting style on a rope. The second goat is about to step over the other goat to cross the rope bridge safely. Moral: intelligence always gives solution to the problems. Now we directly type this, or you learn prompt, so click this button and you will see shortly that an image is under process. This image is very beautiful. Now 4 images has been generated by this website or AI, and right side on the top is giving a better look or explaining the idea properly. Through this way you can generate beautiful videos and pictures. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching.